Hey there, friends. It's your buddy Teddy, and today we're going to learn how to draw Princess Peach from the Mario Brothers game in a super cute Squishmallow style. Let's get started. First, draw a shape that looks like the letter W on top. Then, make two lines that go down below it. Connect those lines with a nice curved line to create her crown. Don't forget to add 3 sparkly jewels to it. Now, underneath the crown, draw a shape that looks like a letter V on both ends of the V. Make some shapes that look like wings. These wings connect at the top with the crown we drew earlier. That's Peach's lovely hair. Moving on, draw 2 lines that go down from her hair. Join those lines with a gentle curve to make her face. For her cute expression, give her 2 curved eyebrows. Right under the eyebrows, draw 2 circles and pop in some eyelashes and eyes. Time to draw her smile. Make a curvy line for her mouth. To give her lips some character, add a curvy M shape and a gentle C curve. For a touch of elegance, put 2 circles near her ears to show off her earrings. Now, let's finish drawing her lower body. Imagine a big curvy C shape below her face. Inside this shape, put a circle and add a little curve underneath it. To complete her outfit, draw her hair extensions on both sides and add 2 curves inside the big C to make her dress. Great job, artists! Don't forget to give your drawing a final once over. And remember, practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more fun tutorials soon. Until then, happy drawing!